In the second part of this chapter, I would like to explain you on the page number 122. Please open your English literature. On the page number 122, we are continuing with the chapter number 19. Getting ready for an adventure. We are talking about the Don Quixote who wants to become a knight. He was dreaming that he works as a knight. I would gladly lead you there, but at the present time there is no chapel in my castle. Here innkeeper said that there is no chapel in my inn. It will do just as well to watch your armor in some other convenient place. If you can see yourself, you can see at some other place. Many of greatest knights have done this when there was no chapel to be found. He said that when number of chapels are not there, then number of knights, what do they find themselves in another area. Noble sir, I believe you, said Don Quixote. Don Quixote said that I believe on you since you have no chapel, but still I shall be content with any other place. Then bring your armor to the courtyard of my castle and send the innkeeper. Guard it bravely until morning and sunrise. I will dub you at night. Innkeeper said that I will dub you at the night, but he said that, did you have money? Not a penny, was the answer. I have never read any knight carrying money with them. He said that I have studied number of books, but nobody is carrying money at that time. Oh well, you are mistaken there, said the innkeeper. Innkeeper said that you are wrong here. The books you have read may not say anything about it, but this is because the author never thought it worthwhile to write about such common things as money, as clean shirts. So it is not possible to write about all the money you have to carry and all these articles. It does took reasonable, agreed Don Quixote, but I never thought it. He said that these things might be okay, but I will never thought about it. So let me advise you. Innkeeper said, let me advise you to as son that you should remove this thing in your mind. You have to go homeward when I dub you that you are a knight and see that necessary articles. I will obey you, noble sir, answered Don Quixote. Don Quixote said that I will obey all these things. He carried his armor to the vineyard and led a horse through by the well. Then he began to pass to and fro. From here and there he started moving. He held his high and like a shoulder duty. Old patched helmet falling down on his face gave him a fearful appearance. Now he was thinking very strongly in a fearful appearance. During the night, one of the guests, a mule driver, tried to get water from the throat of one of his mule. In so doing, he mopped Don Quixote's armor, which offended Don Quixote, who then knocked him out with a blow on the head. But just then several of guests' friends came running into the barnyard. When Don Quixote saw them coming, he braced himself and his shield and drew with sword. He stood with bravely and he make a post. Fling on, he cried, I dare you to come within my reach. Let him alone, cried the innkeeper. He is a harmless fellow who wishes to become a knight. He has lost senses through too much reading. Come away and leave him in peace. Nothing can please me better, answered Don Quixote. Don Quixote said that none of the thing can be make better. The innkeeper thereupon called his guests and servants to come and see the ceremony. A book was brought to him in which he kept accounts of hay and straw. Then Don Quixote sat with closed eyes beside his armor. The innkeeper pretended to read chapter from the book. Don Quixote knelt down in the dust of the vineyard. The innkeeper stood over him and mumbled some words without meaning. He gave Don Quixote a blow on the neck with his hand and slapped him on the back with a flat of his sword. The innkeeper tried to make him that you are not an actual knight, you leave this realm and you collect your necessary articles. Which things are necessary to live a life? Arise, sir knight, he said, thou art dawn. Thou art means you are dawn. Quixote the La Mancha, the most valiant means brave of men, be always brave. Don Quixote arose, feeling that he was now in truth a knight and ready to do brave deeds. Now what he feels? He feels that now my dream is going to be successful, already successed, that I am become a knight. So dear students, this is the story about a person, Mingle the Canavins, who has a dream to become a knight. Living that farm and field area, he tried to become a knight who fight in battles, and he hold old things of their grandfathers and old family members, in which he dreamed that I am becoming a knight and I will do adventurous thing. In between of this chapter, he reaches in an inn, and he feels like that he reaches at a castle. The inner keeper who governing that inn make him successful to become a knight. Thank you. Have a good